biggest shift is gone from being a local game to a global price check, and it creates what I call pricing whipple splash. The biggest misconception is that China is a single uniform source of quality. It's not. A developer client had 36 townhouses locked in. We rescued the project from insolvency.
For someone building multiple townhouses or mixed-use projects, what are the most important decisions they need to make before they even step on the plane to China if they want to get real savings, not just cheap quotes?
The single biggest mistake I see, getting on a plane before making these 3 strategic decisions. Because without them, you'll come home with cheap quotes that turn into expensive nightmare. You must lock down your strategy on home soil. Decision 1. Define saving versus value for this project. Are you chasing the lowest possible unit cost, or are you chasing the highest long-term value? For townhouses, you may prioritize consistent, defect-free finishes across all units. For mixed use, it could be commercial grade durability for the retail components. You have to decide this first because it dictates which factory we visit. The cheapest factory panel won't save you money if it fails in 5 years. Decision 2. Commit to full technical documentation. This is non-negotiable. You must have your detailed specs, architectural drawing, and Australian standard requirements finalized and translated before we engage factory. We don't go asking how much for a kitchen. We go with a 50-page package. This is stacked laminate, hinge type, and the drawer runner we require. Quote to this. This turns subjective negotiation into an objective tender. It's what separates a project-ready quote from a useless guess. Decision 3. Build your import timeline into the master build program. Real savings come from plant efficiency, not a panic effort. You need to decide with your builder where in the program this imported material slot in. This dictates our entire sourcing and shipping strategy. Lead time is your friend. If you plan for it, it's a budget kill if you don't. The bottom line, the work you do here determines the success you find there. We can get you 30% saving, but only if you give us project clarity to source the right 30%. Otherwise, you're just shopping for a different kind of problem.